Okay, we are back. Just one day until the media preview, and it is in testing now with employees. Employees have been riding it today. Obviously, we've got the new signage up there to go along with the new entryway queue. We've seen this fencing and the crates the last couple days, but let's see what else we can find. There we go, the animatronic bear moving and growling. It's fun. Speakers all covered up with that rock facade, and the cat finally has life. Next, a little bit more raccoon figure back there, and then over here, who's not moving currently. See a guy sitting on his porch there with a rifle. And then all this TNT and of course the Hercules powder added. Off to the side here, still closed in for construction, but that is where the plungers are to get you soaking wet. And of course I've been told they'll backfire from time to time and get the person trying to get you wet, get them soaked. So kind of a fun little change to the usual there. But it looks like they're done with their employee testing, at least for right now, of the window we're in. So but definitely people were riding it today. All right, and making our way back towards the front here. A bunch of crates and barrels have been added all around. See a canoe over there sitting next to the cabin. And here's all this. All right, so I think we will wrap up here. Our next video, I would imagine, will be the on-ride video. So we'll bring that to the channel. Should be less than 24 hours, so we'll have it up as soon as we're able to. Until next time, see you in line somewhere.